Welcome back to Dope's Customs. Hopefully this week we'll show you about doing some cleaning, some prep work. We're going to do some welding. First off, I'll start by saying that it's the highest importance to have a clean surface when it comes time to weld. The one thing you can really weld is metal, such as surface impurities, dust, paint, rust. Don't weld very well at all. I'll also hopefully show you how to get tight fits on the fish mounts, tight tolerances, so that way you have the utmost metal at the junction joining together. I'm also going to show you again our string line that we mentioned previously before. We end up starting marking both of our lines. And that way when we grind all our marks off, we'll be able to put the pipe back right where we know it needs to be, and without going through a whole lot of measuring again, and start from there. So hopefully you'll learn some things, and we'll show you some things that might be useful to you.
Hey, welcome back. This is Sam here at Dope's Customs. We're going to go through a little cleaning process this evening on the tubing that we cut for the chassis braces on the front end that you've seen yesterday. Just going to go through a little procedure here, you know, kind of what it takes. Most of you that's doing any metal work, I'm sure you're very familiar with this little toy here. Comes in real handy. First thing I want to talk about is a little safety. There's some really sharp edges here, razor sharp. They will cut you bad. Gloves, good thing. These little mechanic gloves, they work great. As you can see, they've been through the mill a few times. Ear protection. I like to protect my ears, you know. Younger, loud music, you know the routine. Eye protection, grinder, metal shavings, not a good thing. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fire this up, give you a little demonstration here. Well, as you can see, that removed most of your sharp edges. As you can see from this end here, got these little pricklies sticking out. Some are worse, some are better. But as you can see, we're getting a real nice edge here to get to the point of welding it. We're going to take it down to the belt sander when we're finished up here and shine it up real nice. Make everything look good. So stay tuned, there's more to come.
Hi there. Well, we're down here to finishing up sanding right before we get ready to weld. Finish this up on the belt sander. Basically makes a nice clean path to weld around, and most generally just cleans things up the burred edges, makes it a lot more convenient to handle. So I'll show you real quick how that works. All there is to it. Well, I'm getting ready to do some cleanup work on my frame. Weapon of choice is a die grinder and a wire wheel. I choose this because around this frame, when you're working at it around things, it's hard to get a big grinder in there, so I use this. Fair warning though, most of the die grinders are designed to about 3,200 RPMs. Sorry, 32,000 RPMs. And wire wheels are not designed to spin that fast, so when one of the brushes comes loose, it comes at you at pretty good velocity. So that being said, make sure you have good safety equipment, keep it on, because you never know when something might cut loose.
your areas, the tougher spots, you're going to have to break out the big grinding wheel. But this will remove the paint and some light surface rust.
Alrighty, well, we've finished cleaning up the bars, the pipes that we're ready to weld in. I thought I'd show you real quick the places on the chassis that grind up, what generally you're looking for in grinding as far as cleanliness, and basically a surface you want to start with when it comes time to weld. Stay tuned. Oh, thanks for tuning back in. What I'm getting ready to do is some welding right now. I'm do it with my trusty HTP welder. It's a little bit of a higher end 110 MIG welder. Great company out of Chicago. Of course, you don't need anything fancy like that. For one stuff there, you can get by with even a $200 little Harbor Freight welder if you want. It's not really the welder unit itself. A lot of it deals with who's behind the welder, the prep time and such will pay more dividends. Want this will the machine can be a long way of good practice and we'll get you even further. I'll show you what we do of welding right now. That right there is how it's done. Well, there she be, welded up, some pretty and some ugly, nothing that a grinder can't fix. So that's just a little idea of what you can do with some piece of cleaning and some time and some patience. Hope you like what you've seen, and hopefully you'll tune in next weekend.